are ready to supercharge your customer engagement and streamline your marketing efforts. In this tutorial, we will dive into the world of ManyChat, where you will learn how to create interactive and automated conversations that can boost your business like never before. Whether you are a beginner or looking to refine your skills, let's transform the way you connect with your audience. Ready to get started? So let's go. So hey guys, and welcome back in another video where I will show you step by step how you can get started with ManyChat.com. So this is the homepage. So what is ManyChat first? ManyChat is a chatbot platform that allows businesses to create automated conversations on messaging apps like Facebook, Messenger, Instagram, and SMS. It helps streamline customer interactions, enabling businesses to engage with their audience, answer inquiries, send promotions, and nurture leads without needing constant manual input. With its user-friendly interface and powerful features, ManyChat empowers marketers to enhance customer experience and drive sales through conversational marketing. So here we have some information like unleash the power of chat marketing, drive more sales and conversion on Instagram, WhatsApp, and Messenger using automation. So if you scroll down, you will find also your Instagram DMS, answer every single question, comment, and story reply 7/24 to attract more leads, increase sales, and drive higher conversion on EG. Then you have your WhatsApp, use WhatsApp automation to help customers discover products, drive order information, and deliver customer support on autopilot. Then we have Facebook Messenger. ManyChat for Messenger automates conversations to fuel more sales, generate leads, automate fix, and run marketing campaigns. Then we have use chat marketing to drive more sales on autopilot. We have use supercharge your lead generation, increase conversion rates by up to 20 or 90%. Then we have here automatically respond to every message, claim back your time and slash costs. No teach experience, no worries. We have used our EA assistant or our plug and play templates to build your first automation. And if we scroll down, we will find here how you can get started with ManyChat. The first step, which is join 1 million smart brands and sign up for a risk-free trial. In the second step, use our template gallery to create a customized chat marketing campaign in as little as 15 minutes. Then we have the third step, which is leverage your social media channels to generate more conversion, sales, and revenue 7/24 hours. So let's come back. So here we have the pricing here. Choose a ManyChat plan that's right for you. So we have here, it's for free here. Get started with access to ManyChat basic features to engage up to 1000 contacts free of charge. So you can just get started. No credit card or charge card required. Then we have your channel access, Instagram direct messages, Facebook Messenger, WhatsApp also. Then we have your key features, automate conversations, automated custom flows to engage up to 1000 contacts. You have acquire new customers, access basic growth, tools to drive leads to your automation. We have segment your contacts. We have return customer tags. Then if we come back here, we have to click over get started and you will find this page. Here we have what channel would you like to start with. Don't worry, you can connect to other channels later. So we have the first one, which is Instagram. Supercharge your social media marketing with Instagram automation. We have your Facebook Messenger. Go to Facebook Messenger automation to keep customers happy. Then we have WhatsApp here. Choose the most popular mobile messaging app in the world and reach 2 billion users. Then we have Telegram here. Power up your business with Telegram automation. And you choose the one you want here and then you get started. So here we have, don't worry, you can connect other channels later. So you can just connect with Instagram and you come back and connect with other one, which is Messenger, WhatsApp, and we have Telegram here and other options. So this is the home page, as you can see. So we will have hello. You have here start here. You have to select sell products here in DMS. You have business value. You've got products like a lot of products. They could be digital of affiliate products, free resources, or your new line of scented sculpting clay. Now you just go get them in front of your followers in as many places as possible. Then you have it, how does it work? You can earn real money from Instagram as easy as a comment and show off the products you have in a cool little product gallery. You will give your followers what they want and show them what else you've got to offer right in their DM inbox. You click over setup account and you'll find like that. As you can see, you have just to get started, you have just to click over here, but we have to link your account and you click on new trigger and you get started. Then also you can use this one. For example, I have sent as a comment the reply. Here we have, you click over add a button and you choose Instagram, then you click over done and you write your messages. Then we have also this one, have delay, we have waiting 60 seconds here. You can add a button, you can also add one of the kinds that blocks, text or image, delay, data collection or more. If we come back to the home, we have also a generate leads with stories. As you can see, how does work? Promote your favorite lead generating offer like a webinar, course with lists or giveaway, whatever in your story and spark a two-way conversation while collecting data on more lead. Finally, your stories can do more work for you in their short 24-hour life. Then you click over setup and you get started. And you have the last one, which is organize questions and DM with EA. How does it work? Describe the topic of user's question, the intention of the message will be automatically detected and compared to what you input. Then you have the second one, write the answer for the question. You can add images, videos, and links. So this is it. So this is just 3 steps. We have also other options like contacts, automation, live chat, podcasting, settings, my profile also. So ManyChat is a robust platform that enables businesses to automate customer interactions through chatbots. Its user-friendly interface allows you to create customized conversation flows and automate responses effortlessly. With features like audience segmentation and analytics, you can personalize engagement and refine your marketing strategies. While using ManyChat, you can enhance communication, post sales, and strengthen customer relationships. Start using ManyChat today to revolutionize how you connect with your audience. So this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been somewhat helpful, and see you again in the next video.